washing cars. She started vacuum cleaning, vacuuming my mom's car already. And then I started washing my seat. As I was washing my seat, okay, hopefully you guys can hear me. As I was washing my seat, waste ice cream on my seats when I first got my car. And then somebody else wastes Chinese food. And when I was, look at all that dirt coming up, y'all. So what I wanted to show y'all was, look how clean just that spray. This is awesome, but then it was almost gone, so I mixed it with a whole bunch of other stuff and some hot water. Look at all the dirt coming off. Like, I just want to tell all my passengers, y'all dirty booty selves. Because look at how all that dirt just came off. And then that thing right there, that's both a vacuum cleaner and you can suck up water with it. But we're going to vacuum first, dump all the trash, and then water it. Suck up the water because the dirt is get it back in the seat. But I just want to show you guys that, look all that dirt run off. What? Okay, so my car normally has 1,000,001 things, a whole bunch of clothes, because me and my friend over the summer or during any time we take a lot of pictures, so we always be having extra clothes and stuff. And then other that stuff is just junk. So yeah. Out here for 10 hours. And people want to disrespect me. I can't believe it. Not once, but twice.